Welcome back to another episode of Charged Up. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic, Tesla factory firmware. What does it mean when you see versions ending with 0.100 or 0.200? These numbers aren't just arbitrary, they signify crucial updates and enhancements in Tesla's software ecosystem. Think about it. These firmware updates are the lifeblood of Tesla vehicles, providing everything from performance tweaks to security patches. The 0.100 builds often represent major updates that include significant new features, while 0.200 updates generally follow, refining those features and fixing bugs. This is where the magic happens, not just in the cars, but in shaping the future of automotive technology. Imagine driving a vehicle that learns and evolves over time. Firmware is essentially the brain of these machines, allowing them to adapt to your preferences, driving habits, and even the changing environment. It's a level of personalization that was unimaginable a decade ago. Stick around as we unpack the implications of these updates and explore how they are revolutionizing the automotive industry. This podcast was co-produced by Daniel Aharonoff and Mogul Media AI, produced by Daniel Aharonoff.